In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add story captions to your videos on Instagram. This is essential for increasing accessibility, engagement, and clarity. They ensure your content is inclusive for viewers who are deaf, hard of hearing, or watching without sound. To do this, simply head to your Instagram. Now let's say this is the story you want to add. To add captions, simply tap onto the sticker icon. Select Captions. The audio in your video will start transcribing automatically. Your captions will automatically generate. You can swipe up and tap onto the caption line to edit the words. Now once done, tap on Next to share to your story. Captions enhance the overall impact of your content, fostering better connection and engagement. Well, that's how easy it is to enable captions to your story on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.